So next workout natin sa Virgilio, ano po tayo? Squats tayo, goblet squats. Gagamit tayo ng dumbbell dito. So weight niya is minimum ng 20 pounds. 20 pounds po or hanggang sa pinakamabigat na kaya natin. So start muna tayo sa 20 pounds para may resistance tayo agad. So goblet squat, yakapin natin yung dumbbell. Okay? So ganito, hawak mabuti. Alright? Ganyan po. Then close sa chest. Ayan, idikit sa katawan. Okay? Malapit sa katawan, tapos elbows in, malapit sa katawan. Now, for this one, from your set stance, konting heel toe out lang. Yung paa natin, neutral for squats. So, in between ng shoulder line, pasok ng konti, tapos mas malapad sa, mas wide sa hip width. Okay? So, from here, and then, ano tayo dito? May kasamang tiptoe. Pakita natin. So, inhale, exhale up. So, 10 repetitions. So, check. Butt goes back, knees align with your toes. Pakita ko muna. Okay. Inhale. So, check. Nag-open yung knees pagbaba. Control. Calf raises. Okay. Inhale. Exhale up. Okay. Bend knees. Push butt back. Hindi magli-lean forward. Sakto lang. Then, heels up. So, ganun pa ha. So, pakita natin ulit. Okay. So, from your neutral stance, butt leads the way. So check. Yung torso natin, yung katawan natin, hindi magli-lean forward, hindi yuyuko. Keep it straight. So inhale, inhale, inhale. Okay. Knees and toes align. Then rise up. Okay. So imagine may hawak tayo. Then konting resistance. Yan. So ito yung dumbbell. Then up. So check. Yung spine natin, diretso. Up. Okay. Tapos po, pagkatayo natin, exhale tayo din. Squeeze, really squeeze yung glutes. Tapos, one more thing. Pagtayo natin, pagkapatayo na tayo, okay, imagine, pinagsisplit naman natin yung floor. Okay, sa paa, using your legs, push through your heels, then open. And then make sure flat, okay? Flat po, kaya nakapaa ako para makapakita natin yung set ng toes natin na parang gumigrip siya sa floor. And then, push, okay? Para mas ma-activate natin yung hamstrings and then the glutes, especially your core. Always keep it activated, tighten. Always tighten your core. All right? So 10 repetitions, again, 4 sets, neutral goblet squats.